Hi my plant-based viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. So this week I'm going to make star fruit juice, so stay tuned for this video. So guys, star fruits are very prevalent in the Caribbean. As you see, shapes like a star. When you cut it, it looks like a star. So I went to the market and I saw some because I try to incorporate as many fruit as I can when they're in season into my lifestyle. I decided to make some star fruit juice. So I have a lemon here. I have a small piece of ginger, but I didn't realize I didn't have any ginger. So you can use more ginger. And I have an apple. I'll just use that for sweetness because I'm not going to add any sugar to my juice. First thing I will do is to wash these fruits thoroughly and I'll slice them up so that I can hold in my Nutri Ninja, and then I'll come back and show you guys. So now that I've cut up my star fruit and my apple and the small piece of ginger, now place them in my food processor instead of my cup. So I'll be using that today. I most likely will blend in two batch because all of this cannot hold all at once. And now I will add the water to it. And now cover it. I will now blend for a minute. So now that this was blended, I will now strain it. So what I will do now, I'll just pour this in my jar and then I'll repeat the process with the remaining fruits that I have, and then I'll add the lemon to it, and then I'll come back to you with the final juice. So guys, now I have the juice that I strained free from any remnants. So I'm going to cut the lemon. I washed it also, and I'll just squeeze it in there because the lemon gives it flavor. For me, when I add lemon and ginger to my juice, I don't really have to add sugar to it. I don't know, it just let it taste right. And for me, that's how I reduce my added sugar intake, by not using sugar to sweeten my juice. I try to use another fruit. You could probably use pineapple too, for pineapple is a good blend. But if you think you need to add sugar, you can add a little bit. This is for the diabetic persons who want to reduce their sugar intake. So I just give it a stir now that I added the one lemon to it. And I just add some to my cup. And as you can see, the star fruit is garnished. Used to garnish the cup. And this is very refreshing. I'll just keep it in the refrigerator for an hour or so until it's cool and nice. You can try this recipe. It's another refreshing homemade juice, good for you, healthier. You determine how much sugar you want to add to it instead of buying those sweet juice with artificial flavors at the supermarket. Eat fruits that are in season, guys. Try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more and more plant-based, healthy recipes. Take care and see you on my next video, guys. Always remember, your health is your wealth.